Amasan tam YouTube channel en tu te zo sian bonun chibai tunia hing holim video hi le Nungah Deborah M Tungnung ahia ama pen naupang no khan hinan le lai siam ma le gamle nam ngai na ma khan hia lamka a young learners school apadin high school ana zoin abana Rayban college apadin 10+2 zoin Bangalore graduation le MA master in economics hang zowa to bana Amazon semin to zoin company dang khada sema na sem dalang atai mama le khang thatia dinga eton ta mama hi bana e sante to hinki boiwa gal da sata online Twitter X lama jong na sata na panla a followers jong tam pi de ya to thamlowin public gathering tuam social gathering tuam chiteve la jong numei lam tu ki sei numei ki su siat na violence le numei te thane na numei te thua gen the na chi dia jong mun phabe ba thu gen ngai a hi bana adia in e ichile nam songa dinga author chiamte tham ching khan hiya the art of mind ki chi lai bu khat an gyala to pen tu le tu in out of stock hinan le on order a order bol thei jing hi chi jong ka hingen masari vanin tuin ama tan chin le ana septe tung tang kang kyo lim nau ngai vai ki pa hwe debi tu ni nang to online tung to na hulim thei di ayum zia in hun sot pia pat nang nana viral dan le na thugian dan te mun tom platform tom an thugian dan te na ki zain ken jong kang na ngai sang ma atia in boy lai mo boy in lang boy ang ki pat tung lai Twitter lama jong nana pan nana hala ma ucha thil tom kang le thei pha lo pi le gial pha lo pi a ina ki thei kha lo ja jong chu hiwan author jong bang jong na hin ute zo cho in sud vain mo igam a dia jong neu khat mi thei pha chi jong nang hita banin gam to ma dia in Bangalore lam na hosan tia jong thil tuam forum tom vela chana panlan te pata doi ma in mitam pi nang na hi na hong thei chat loading na speech te cho na ngai khau hi zen mo tuin hi YouTube channel tung to nai ki ho na pa da mi tam pin anen tu te zo se nang na hi na le na nang ma detail lang thina ding nang neu khat self introduction ki bolale
bang hele bang topic hi si le song nang ngai na discussion ne thei dia nang ko isiain ka ki pa mo masapin kamila hi le Deborah Tungnung hi in lama zomi colony te ka hi Bangalore hosalal ka hi mo as a professionally digital marketing strategist ka hi and by passion writer le author khat ka hi
Deborah chau na ki chana mina Deborah M Tungnung ki chin nang M pen khu bang na lam sa e
em khu kaminta hi Deborah Mangsian no ma hi mo kanupi nang khwa hi ya kolgama ki umle a pronunciation ku hung ha simin chin Deborah M Tungnung chaka koi
khu pen imin mi nanu pi ten hoi dwa ngai na tang pwa nang na skip hian mi khu na ki oya
Kasip kia thila winchin ID tenga zong chu kamin hu chia hila zong I mean for people to how to call me hu cha ka koi ka chi na hi
ken hi chi dan no mo atang pin e mi dia la jong Catholic ten min siang tho chin chin mo hi cha ko in chin ke ka pom dan to ki tua sim lo ka koi azia chu ine wa pada tun e mi dia bang imin ni cha ki mo pia hi lo vela male ki mo pia hi lo na nga jong ko yen na nu niau na chen nu pi na sie
kanupi
ama nu pi ami lai tie chu khono lo mo e lo ami lai ki nang jong mi lai ke jong mi lai adia ata pen te hu ipapa mo abana pasalangum kile inupa cha ki pe su in chin hoja imin masanga prefix another name khading koi changa hu imin pen hu beya kamu hu pen bangai dan ni
he tham I agree with you completely on this I mean ta chu poi mo in thupi zong thupi hi I mean a lam min tribal min dia a meaning ta ki bol hi chamo kang agree ve hu chu
you agree but you did not follow there is a different matter in chin hi cha atang pi amo e mi te hu the copy swam te igel changa imin te ku min ha sa siang chi bara mi adi cha in ngai to e ke kamin hu muan lian muan chang ki thei ale ang thei lo te nang ko da le si dei mo ba e ko ha sa le mi ko no bang san na dia huwa hoa English ha kol min bang min chite ki phwa chite khu hoi kana sa lo chidan hi kangai dan alemo debi nang na let's come to your childhood days mo school high school hai na kai
High school khu young learners school zen hangam ka kan so
class 10 bang ku min zo
2010
2010 mo nani opara khu bright student chidan jong kana thein chin mi tom tom para jong na ki thei tho hi cha mo na tung tu ni ki za tho hi changa class 10 na zo khu bang division in bang percentage in zo
a percentage to again utsia but first division ka so
first division na zo mo ale bang subject na lung lu dei high school line
I was interested hulaya chu kinau pang simin chin idea ta kinelo mo I was more of an art kind of person, art veil philosophy chi veil kana lunglut eva 11 and 12 aku science kana la
ale cha khonung vela lai bu hung gial thei khat chile high school level in essay writing ai lo la comprehend composition chivel gial na lung lu dei
yes kana lunglut English chi veil bang subject la kana nga inat pol mo
class 10 class 12 hoyan na sime 11 12
11 and 12 ku Rayban College
bang manipur bon mo CBSE
Manipur board
hi kang do na pian khu raiban te jong chini ne un chin mo tua ka thei da na manipur bo jong ne
ko hun la ya Manipur board
CBSE jong ne chi dan hin chin class 12 science na lain bang bang subject na la maths pangi
yes biology chemistry physics and mathematics hilesong mathematics
ECB.
ku ka fourth subject
what subject four subject bang jan mo ile
thainon sing
genu lo ni chamo no me tiana kumol le ma gu genu lo chi ho na nga para proof in koi va in class 12 nang zo zo in college hoy na ba kai graduation ading in
Bangalore St. Joseph's University graduate le master kana bol
no catholic ti mo
no Lutheran te
atang pia sen na kai te hu catholic te da na ki koi sim gi gen chen St. Joseph University Bangalore mo puti
Right.
nga bang subject na valai bang stream
general apayin chin hulaya humanities arts kana la mo wa subject umte hu hile political science sociology and economics as the main subject hubana English chumma
bang ko banana graduate ya
graduation ko 2015 ka so engine master ko 2017
acha general te jo master bol thei tho mo
yes
bang subject a master na bol
economics kana bol
oh so nice ko loi hun la ya mo ke chu 2009 na ana graduate nga ko loi hun la ya major kichimo honors te khu major ai lo honors khat te khu general ke chin chin general te khu in master bol thei lo kana koi kana thei ke thei ta na mo if you want to do master then you have to take major you have to take honors like ke khu honors in geography kana hi chin geography kana hi abana ka subject khu history and political science mo geography honors kana hi chin mo first year midang ten subject on general te kuin subject thumbang nei tale en subject li kini subject li plus honors paper to extra two more subjects ana kinai mo uche kya combination huile geography honors history and political science sakana line chen ale nang BA azong economics anala thomo
yes
economics anala line 11 12 economics anala lo china ha sa thawai bang che thakada graduation anang patle
Hasa thoma to be very honest it was kind of difficult a met zong hung sang zo hi chang mo economics la hu statistics chi ven hung tel ta hi chang hu mathematics anaki siam khol lo win chen so wa in ki tha pat le hasa thoma
economics mathematics ku bang level in a class is it class 10 level or class 11 12 level hi
no much more higher than that
acha tua kang kang nung gel mo tu ke jong army apa akang retire masanga faculty of management study Delhi University MBA ang bolinga wa economics mo economic subject bian huile maths tam kasa and a calculation te jong sigma du da chitingen mo 1 2
Right.
sium siang lo wa abc xyz chitingen hinchin hasat to kana sa mama in master nang bolin bang hasat na face economics
Economics hasat na kana face to microeconomics to macroeconomics ana kinayintin, statistics to financial economics ang ana kinayintin. Hula hasa kasa kada hile microeconomics nagin maabanga numbers kisang kolaw mo lungsim to sigma to bangbangye ha nga ito ang ngayintin statistics probability ti ang hile song lungsim hasa lang hungsan ngayintin huti ko hasa kana sabe as subject matter mo.
hinchin master ko jong sangta na zo tho mo division la genu lo di sina
Sangta long chuka sisi ahile sang by God's grace first division.
First division hinchin bangai cha class 11 12 economics la khalo mo high school adna la tiala it's a very basic mo hinchin graduation anang pathale icha bangai terminology te economics aso terminology tamatam vele male utevel ku ha sa thoi bangasi
Hasa samaing. Hilezong, I was lucky because I had great professors. Mo ka teacher teo ku ana felunsin learning teaching to pa pailawa assignment basis chi bel theoretical wise ma mo ho ita ka siam the na diwang na bol pi unchin. Yeah, first year was difficult. Hilezong semesters ang sang zele ku we adapt to it ni, so it was easy to balance it out.
in nang na interest na mo mo lo le bangai cha by thil khat em ne ya ki khu ka zo che khu di chi dan jan na lamo
Graduation chu arts kana pai pi mong hi azo cha khambil bang ki gel khawut le mo hi lo le a subject zong tuina ya trajectory hu kang heng hi last final semester to last second semester aku economics hu tui kang sa engine Indian economics financial economics bel hu nop kang sa engine. So when I graduated I took up economics as master's degree.
isa economics lam lung lu ne le thil khan dong wang em ken jong kana thei nang economics honors economics a master ale mo devi nang economics a honors ka nei china mo na memory chu ne khan hing recall gen lan mi angai ten an na thei siam na ding in mo 1991 masanga ku india ku close economy na kisi mo na kichin chin prime minister pv narasimha rao loi hun lai male in chin hulai finance minister ku tuak tu masanga president ana hi Manmohan Singh mo he was a great economist too in chin hua india ku foreign exchange di non lo mo foreign exchange di bang ma foreign reserve bang ma non lo in chin hu pena ku 1991 liberalization of indian economy chi khan ki pan mo lpg liberalization privatization and globalization hi pen hu echa khang tha te bang hil chen dile chin mo neu chi ava details se sile jong mo hu zo apadin liberalization of indian economy zo apadin bang igam sunga bang ki khel na ta angume
Liberalization, especially after 1991, who Akim Chiang in Chuka Tainon Sia Hilezong, the Tom Kimaka again Hiletu, things like the foreign investment more, trade reforms and financial reforms sitting who Kangendia, foreign investment in Ahua Mahile, Hua liberalization zo apadahu, foreign investment gamdang to ki operate na ti hung sang biamo India to in hu in FDI ti tabel song hung drive in chin abana trade reforms hung lut le tariff vel ku hung ki reduce mo India. Next we can talk about financial reforms. He apoy mo na ko hile hulaya humasanga ku RBI te ku regulator apangu hilazong after the liberalization RBI te ku they were shifted from a regulator to facilitator hu hinchin India to world economy zong impact mama mo India to hua hilezong ako inakhat hu India aku information technology to service dang hu hung increase in thamma poi mo khat industry reserve public sector adia industry and reserve te hu 17 somlesagi an hi chu while liberalization so aku thuma hun ki reduced te hu in defense atomic energy as well as for rail transport hi teng thuma hun ki reduce in chin who again sama banga information technology service who increase hilezong ya ako ina bana challenge jong de mo for example income inequality chivel all this were arising and I think it was during that point of time that India has to take help from IMF International Monetary Fund and the World Bank as well hutanin tom kimin gen theinin
hi te khu tua igen chamo economics su ken jong economics cha kana study lo ba ngamo like le khasim kana lunglu din chin economics books lam kana sim zel mo especially about money and financial literature chi de hulam pangana simin chin tua na gen pen khu phatwa ma mai mo ngai tu tia dang phatwam din ging tai nga wacha economics chi chang economics ku very vast subject dang very vast in chin abana I understand jong a thei siang lo tampi jong thei mo outside the text chi jong thei ke cha economics honors kana la lo wanga repo rate chi velanga khoi chakana lunglu din chin RBI ten bank te ko ma sum abat lasa zo changa bank te khuin RBI te ko abat la pen khu customer mi pi te ko abat lasa son kit mo hocha repo rate ki chiumin reverse repo rate ki chiumin cha le mo ale mo de bin na to na economics honors na line chin mo na study life ye chang khu okay up to class 10 chu mi zo sia dia akibang hita cho 11 12 science na line chin BA to MA economics na line chin to ana sem na chu very technical hi kit bang si dan de how do you come to the present profession
okay master final year ka bol laya hu we have internship and all these things as well thesis wheels on ki galin chin ma so aku IT companies tam singkhat like Amazon like Google ivela hu campus recruitment ang bolum mo campus drive ang bolum chin hula aku kana interview in chin hu tapat hu kahung chin Amazon akana sabi hiya that was my first job but that was more like a business line mo e-commerce la mapayin chin huapa da hu olola the technicalities right from how to use Excel sheet or all these technical terms chimaini chivel hu kang zil to in chin ma so the trajectory went that way
aya masanga na ba ka to ki hiana sa thawela
masanga you mean subject wise
na subject ye to mo science na la arts nang la ki to marketing la nang lut khu na subject la den ang ki thua pi thawei lo la bang chi join na ko ye
high school to 11 to 12 chuk again thesia but graduation to master into ya hunki thwapi azia chu a
bang chi
subject
la mang ki thua pi na ko ye
subject matter achu for example political science kana lai chu marketing achu political science pakizang khollo mo hilezong hwa as a part of being a student in that college zan de lampang ka gen sama abanga internship bela na ki bolin jin hulaya hu til chitwam from accounts banking accounts samo hilole business accounts samo chivel and we were introduced we were exposed more in jin how do I say people's communication, managing people, leadership qualities who apart from the subject ang nakizil sa engine, that subject was in the literary term mo. He lesson apart from that there were so many things that we were being taught as students. Who he in ang help did to umlaw, but it was a process that formed us to who we are more.
ale being an economic student mo at any point of time any point in time na study life mo MBA zili chivel na lungul khai na gel khai
No, absolutely not. I was not interested in the subject initially.
ale to Amazon na sep atavle mo le campus recruitment na lodging chin Amazon na sep hu pe na na economic subject to aki sai khana no mai
Yes.
banglam do la ki sai
Economics to aki sai na chu hulaya zong test kini chu. It's not like they just do interview. Written test ana uminchin mo. Online test actually. Written chu hilaw inchin hilazong online test kini inchin. All the questions, most of the questions were based on my subject.
economics mo.
Hmm.
So Amazon anang lu daku, what was your position and you are dealing with which part of the company, which part of the commerce dia bang which part of the business in Amazon.
So detail lom again lowin hi chin thei cham na din gen leng Amazon khu level 1 apat level 7 panung in chin mo level 7 khu Jeff Bezos, the owner of the company in chin kailut na khu level 3 alut ka hiya mo almost like a beginner fresher alut ka hiya. So mine was business accounts mo for North American marketplaces that include the United States, Mexico, and Canada hinchin. Here gamtinga who sellers ti anaki boy pi a marketing line mo anaki at pi inchin accounts so including their financial accounts as well as their business accounts so ti who anaki at pi yeah.
Bang icha na bol dan tang pi bang NPC chu bang thilang ki order te icha na su to chin na se no moi lo le nang just the finance part mo bang
No, hutidana pailo winchin. So we all have our guidelines, SOP follow the unsiat mo. We usually have two kinds of business, two kinds of sellers. Existing sellers to new seller who umzelinchin. To kasay pensi may ni kabanghat pensu already existing sellers ti mo. Order bangzat hung luda order bangzat hung poda so bangzat do amu kya do yetu thailo mo huti chu ko khuda umlawinchin hilachong account a seller account maintain pi like for telling them that their account is losing points, it's not healthy, it's not a healthy account, and they will need to get certain kind of unrestriction from their authorities ti vel mo huttevel hi them a paperwork them amawid song businessmen hi wangwa huchi hi molo unchin. For example, FDA ti vel passing vel ngari chumo product can kada huttevel hu a paper line vel ka et pi unchin. That is basically account management in terms of their business account. Hulawa a financial account hi changa hu their earnings from Amazon, how much they have to pay from Amazon. Thầy siam din gen le to bank vela mo bank vela chu bangzat sumnang koi bangzat sumpot ya ki et pi banga. For us it's just concerning with the sellers and the businessmen.
ale mo hi chin mi zo usia tu lai ta Amazon jang lo ki siang lo dia dia copy suam te male ke bang chu 100% kalai bu kale kha bu lai te Amazon ngana kalai ama sa pena bookstore ka va pay a book ka et chen online ka compare changa online na ha manang ki manzo chin changa Amazon ka lai adia Delhi chi level copy la level ai le changa bang chu lai bu khat teng bang chu same day delivery mo anima mang ki deliver zel chi umin chin ale tun mi khadin imi sa hi khu an tu ten ana phatom pin din mo Amazon te sumu dan mo mi khadin Amazon a thila zuwa Amazon khu atwam hita a platform me hita nang Amazon na lai bu na zuwa ken Amazon a para Amazon tung to na lai bu ka lei ale Amazon in banga para suma muwe
Amazon in to collectively bought from collectively alay tu te to azwa tu te ko mapat amu thei siam thei na din kalain to jong ki to deu din hung gen le azwa tu apa din hung pan ningin mo azwa tu hu ama sapena registration hung poi mo Amazon a hu seller azwa tu hi thei na din wa hu account hung bol nga yun chin hu account hung siam chang wa hu a step ni na chi mai ni a information teng tengu apya diu ID cards even mo ID proof address bank account numbers even apya di unchin hu teng hu ahung clear zo chang wa hu a account wa pata hu a product zo apenu ang list thei diu mo hu ang list chang wa hu a product category dung zu ya book zo hi headland puan zo hi talezong a category dung zu ya hu referral fee hung di mo hu referral fee hu percentage bangza mo khat a category dung zu ya hum hedin chin wa referral percentage ku Amazon in ani
Okay.
one thing hi ching ya hubana adang zong chu asummu na zong chu mo for example option card FBA listing chi velu me chu ku pen ku Amazon in tilteng take up apexa warehouse a ko isa chi vel hungu menjin wa huta fee abol sa tilteng abol sa manu fee ku zong amount an new mo Amazon in chin wa adang khat a main khat a hi le type of sellers are hunking for example individual sellers to professional sellers hung na yun chin individual sellers ten who a product u khot dung zui wa fi apya diu mo hila song professional sellers ten who monthly a fi apya diu so hite who Amazon in asumu dan hin chin hiten ko ing nge chang a hu a lei tu ten hung lei chang wa azwa tu ten sumu e chu sumamu chang wa hu Amazon to business bol hung ki swain chin. So it's just like a cycle where the buyers, sellers, and Amazon have a part to play together.
Okay. Tuan again teng ban again ka the na kan again ngo. Ko MB a kana zilu khat umin chin mo. Amazon te sumu na tuan again teng zong hi ve. Ku te sa nga zong phatom zo te khat bange chile mo. Iki ho na YouTube ai ho na ngai khe tu tia dia zong phatom na hidingin hoi diwa na ngai ule. Amazon sumu na khat bang he chile nang a seller ke a buyer mo nang azwa tu ke a leitu nang thil khan na zua sang som man na zua ken Amazon thua kang lei ta vel mole kang lei le ku ke account na para sum pe ta chyo ai van nang ko sum lu nai lo de Amazon ten hua sum pen ku hathum sunga kebu 90 days a kebu 90 days zo changa azwa tu te ko sum lut pan hi hona na sim kha voi
Yes.
hi khu hin chin hi khu para bange hathum sunga sum amu teng teng khu hathum sunga akebula interest bang zaram khon ania theu mo bang chi
Right.
hoi hoi lang khara zong cha stock vela zong ana invest heile leo cha hu chao min chin hu tiang sum tam pi mu hi chi mo ken zong MBA kana bola bange guest lecture khat Amazon para lian khat hu pain chin ko alam nai tema ma khan mo hi khu is very great learning chi di hin chin ale Amazon akuma jan na se mai
3.5.
in chin 3.5 na si sebzo abang chida na Amazon khu na nu siat kit
COVID so akanut siya ki engine Amazon ku e-commerce line business line hulu engine wapa da ku kana zilhyat kana launch hyat ku digital marketing the functionality of digital marketing hi engine the market was broader the subject was broader and it was more interesting to me kuzya digital marketing agam ki hai
ale tua Amazon apada mun tuam khat company tuam na zot hita ya mo tua digital marketing lam mole ai le tun adia in ke chu company a private company vela kana sem khasia mo private company a sem te yet chenga company khada para company khat ki tuan the chi le ape khu mo alo tampi akhang di zia a position jong khang ding alo jong tampi wa alo company khada alo sa nga atha ba join le bang za de khada cha khang to di chi kinep na jong primary hi mei thei mo azia pi pen hiding adang hui le hu company jong hoi zo hu company a promotion mu then jong bailam zo chi ho in chin mo ale nang adin hu bang zia chet a hi to company thana join pen
I believe in not being stagnant for too long more mun khada tang den di khut so it's not really to my liking engine I want change that is one thing more yeah and sum lampang hita henlan higher salary lampang hita lesong obviously that is there mi ja chumo we always aim for higher pay and everything hu chu zong chu hitho hilazong change ka ut him engine if I am supposed to change this the marketing line who kahung ni lu engine so it's a mixture of my interest and yeah financial gain and change
tua na sem na pen mo bang lampang na bol de we
um data management who cut engine a second thing aku creating of demo website landing page kichima who will kabol unchin who so changa Google Pixels at dan ATM parameters check dan website trafficking check dan email data journalism data maintenance chi vel hu ka bolon chin thei sam thei din neu khat one part of the job ngen lang Facebook a hilo le Instagram hu it's in scroll chang in Mintra mo Amazon mo ahilo le brand tom advertisement a web ahung swazel vele mo le who iva click le a website papat ki redirect age mo who enable te who we do that work who ka bol khan
nasem na luya to nasem na thapian humo bangya a relax the way a workload tom the way
yes a workload to tom interesting
mo
yeah
in tu lai bangya min again changa private company ate job security lo de hunang kinor khe the du da chivel again wa mo nangla e master nana zo master sang de wa economics hinalai minangai sang bot master in economics na zo chin huzo amazon nang lu din chin twai lang ana sep ki din chin nom na sa mo lo le job security na sa thoi e cha huti twa bang ngai da nei tia din bang vai ha ud le gen un nei
government job ilunglu lechu there is nothing more secure than government job mo hu hin chin government job ilunglu da government job ka bolu thi chi lechu hu ta focus chu hoi but companies or organization zong chi tuam ma department tuam structure chi tuam hi in sin so based on the company for example Amazon Google chi vel khu TCS chi vel khu hung ki mono po thelo vele mo so it's as good as a secure government of the si ilazong it's not like it's not secure chi mai ni azya chu siam na pil na to lut ngen tang ana hi thawun chi mi zong mo wa avaselom lomin ka ngai to asia and to nagain chu ka thai siama job security la udu thuna hun kinot pot chu umma those are I'd say depending on the company the organization hi na khat na organization step na khat to song mo hun ki depend ma di hu chu
ali tua nang amazon azong experience nei ta china tua na sip na azong experience ma ta china and that too in the higher position mo obviously comparatively mo ho chi hi ta le ma ba na tua na sip na pe na pat to bang intelligent mo amazon ai china va join thi ki dei ang dei deu di vai lo le being an experienced person bang na simoi
yes they always have a rule Amazon apat company hi me but it top let chu within 6 months or 1 year amount policy dung siya chu ki join thelo but you can always go back and apply for example in Amazon after 6 months I can go back and apply in the policy na yo
tua na experience na pa din amazon apra na experience to tua na experience na to mo nang ma other involvement ya pa din nang ma own business bol thi din ki koi thoi
business to kalunggut khollo winchin ka ngai to ana zong na khalo yeah if I wanted to do it maybe I can but lezong ka ngai to ana na khalo
tua na sem na lam pen ko na gen u che lova more of technicalities male technical lam sum to ki involve me
yes coding lampang hitset lo software engineer can abolo coding lampang hitset lo but we support that
nang abang che da pang ye je chu nang science background hi lo china technical engineer na gen chang ko na thil gen da na para ka ngai su le very technical hi to engine
Bangchet, you are talking about my designation, right?
na narship
I am a
designation lo engine to na narship mo na thil bol di te mo
hmm.
who te who technical to ka sa engine being from a non technical background mo
So we have different tools in the organization itself. For example, we have SAP tools, uh, coding script tigal na. SAP script tigal na dan dewa tools dang zona na umma huts dan dewa SAP tool JSON email kinayinsin. Those are more of a technical tools in computers who in checking the scripts, making sure that it's implemented. In who's nga tools dang zanga hu website demo website ki create ko a function ne a hilo le mi bangzadin click ani mo mi bangzadin ana click why mi bangzadin ana open why mo a hilo le Instagram apa din open atam so why a hilo le Facebook apa din open click ti email customer views vel atam zoy teng check na mo hu ka hoy hu ka bol Injin again din na chat ko kathelo na kasyam lo na who we have our own tools in the organization which we use mo who mo gen leng zong bang khathe ko lo din chin di the ko lo din chin.
Again, dan who you are in a technical profession with a non-tech background. Sidan mo, sidan ko ilal
Right,
vain.
yeah.
Ale, tun, let's come to another aspect of your life. Nang pian ko kang namudan in lai simzong thanwam ba chin lai gel jong siam ma chin tu masana lai bu gel mo the art of mind mo out of stock kita in chin sel hoi ma di ka king ka ging da bang chidan dewa to bang lai bu the art of mind nang gel kha hi ucha hoya padan ai tiang ki pana to na lai bu in bang lampang ako dewe
Okay. Kaniwa pa dahi lekha sim kanulu da subject lekha bu hi si le song mo. And young learners summer vacation, winter vacation chi ivel chang aku assignment dia novel khat sing di book khat sing di chi ivel hu ang nagen zelo hiya hu ta pa din habit kana forma kana lunglut amo. Holiday vel chang in hi book vel kana sim zela wa ka hung khan le to le ka interest ku hung sang deu chi mai ni. Injin agel ta chu 2019 COVID laya hu anaki chim sim ma mo lockdown vel hungo min chin ingai to ana vel song ana sangin chin in kabol khat chu journal hi ka ko igigya mo journal gel chi hi kana lungdu da kan naw pang sim laya padin hi kana bol gigya journal gel te hi kana bola wa COVID ahung le hu journal gel zong hung ki thang ya yin chin self help book hu ka hung sim ta ma hu lai hu hun lai ta in mo pa ku ka hung ngai to ale a self help book ka hung sim chang a hu journal vel akan get vel to I resonate to it mo anaki zoiton simin chin then as someone who love reading I really wanted to write something damsunga imina umde book khat gel hu kana ut ma hi ahia sales perspective ahilo le business perspective in the kaba et se chu hilong mo hila song keima passion le keima lunglut na hi ja hu gel kana utin chin then ka journal te khu neu khat ki polish henlan neu khat ki edit henlan hi chin ki bol le ki publish thei dia hi chi hu ka ngai twana hu min chin so I worked on it for months and then finally materialized it into publishing it into a self-help book. So kabuk masapin, Art of Mind ku self-help book lampang.
hello kabuk masa pian na chidan ko kabuk pian ko chile chin chu kapom dia kabuk masa pian na chile chiamui na ki gen khara pasal kharin tun khat ve to helicopter to kilang khat ve na di achidan ne to hung ki bang simin ale mo to alai bu na gial ku na compile mo it's just a compilation of your articles the journal that you have written over a period of time or you just concentrate on that writing and then that turns out to a book.
I just concentrate on that writing, which turned into a book, but my inspiration comes from my journal.
Okay. Tuan alai bu pian hu tuai ki hona angai khetu ten leud bang hitale Amazon hu out of stock here. What is the way out?
Tu like the publication because stop mo tildang dang to price siminjin and it's been almost 3 years, two years balta injin mo. Tu like the publication because stop injin. Stock ko ikit di hileng. I have to contact my publishers and ask them to start reprinting. Hu himay.
E copy bangzat momong na na print in bangzat momong na na zuwa do ai.
Amas sa pena aki-release chu 300 ka print hiyat injin mo. Hubana who that was sold within few months injin hubana who sales will hung minjin mi khen khadin zong hung text simunjin ka publisher tin zong hung push simunjin to ja hu aban bana cha aki order dung suya ka print hiyat sale injin mo publisher tin a print hiyat sale injin so tatula almost 1000 books were sold within this span of two and a
Ale
half
tua.
years.
Ale tuan again dana mo azwan again who you have that tools to find out or to know who is the buyer and cha thil tom tom vele mole. Ale tuan nang lai bu gel pian humo koi tian alei de win muai.
Okay, so a selling account koi zua koi check e hupen. So it was in the hands of my publisher can individual ka ba zua hello engine mo. Ka
Yeah.
publisher tin a ball engine. But yeah, I can track to an extent engine. Amy Sung a hung day sa. Apug ba ho talwa zong chu hello may te hile zong kinga ina na to ki day sa na zia Amy Sung a alay na tam simun jin. And then many in this age of 21 to 26 purchased it, apart from Amity again te ibana mo. Now panglamsim 21 to 26, 27 age group in ku anhalaisim.
Out of let's say around 1,000 copies being sold mo, nang bangsa vian namu phai le like royalty sida nang piao mo cha azi chu laibu zua Amazon a laibu zua te mo nang adan dewa seller publisher ten a bol te hu a writer author ten suma bang simu e
Asumu zachu kagen te tetsia, but royalty ana umenjin kaya hu royalty ti janga book I published book izwa janga hu I publisher tin royalty ang bol pi mo hu pena hu out of the price of the book 30% hu eya so kabuk hu for example zatum let's ivel manile hu ta 30% hu per book aken kani it works that way.
30% hun ne jin ai bang nang na gial chi lo dang bang manang pang no lo ma le amaun abuk a ki prinu a ki zuau Amazon a seng di teng jong a ki sengu in nang hwa 30% hun ne mo
Right, correct.
au chi le hi chi dana lai budang tiang 30% ki nei le chu more than 10 million copies sold chi danu lai bu te mo adia sif kherar book te vel mo ai lo le Robert Kiyosaki rich dad poor dad chi te vel chu somehow ma tiu china bel mo le
Yes. But one more thing, he paid so 30% paid to fixed hilaw. It depends on your agreement with your publisher as well. Muntinga ki bang to hilaw mo. Hen kada 20% he might take, hen kada 50% he might take.
okay hoi ba mai tuan again pen hu anangai he tu tia din jong theina ki belam na hima ma vanin ale now let's come to tutung boy na mo tutung ilam boy na kunang jong na active ma Twitter du da mi to na ki deng zia thin yes ante thil hilo long post vel jong na counter che da mo bang chidani na muai tutung boy na in langa ki pat pen hu bang perspective in ne
I mean, I think all our perspectives are the same mo. Sing kami hina may titi to kidona I perspectives to kibang. It's very politically run mo. Chimay the state government could have stopped the war in 1 or 2 days if they wanted to, but they did not. That
complicit
clearly,
mo
yeah, that clearly shows that there is a malicious intent. Pupinsu bangatuk chalu bang chichalu hitchin again but it's clear that there is a malicious intent behind the violence more.
nang mu danin mo tu ma sen jong pu len jong loi to ni chin tok so khat kan ne khata mo Twitter where lam te x lam te pan la dan te bang te mo nang jong na sata pan da tho china nang mu danin x lam te pan la zia in bang tane khada mason na kini na muai what is your view
Absolutely. Aziatsu journalism line bangin entale, news line in entale. Abon wahu newspaper, news media outlet ten tila hidibanga so angay lawo vele. At heidan bang
mostly
ji
most of them
waswa.
are imphal based that's why all
Exactly.
spreading lies
Injin national level azong who uh government in bang chita na mukhara a restrict umay to a news swat mo to be very honest. Hu hinjin wa aswa ud la u aswa thela u again tia thela u hu Twitter tung ton social media tung ton na para hu anaki bol zel hinjin and that's how the system was fighting for it mo from our side hu hinjin make it to zao expose na di dibang na di hitahen lan our side of the truth present na him dia hu I voice hu social media platform hu pangatawele so phatwa ma in ka koy
nang tua Twitter na na ha pang tin ten line mo bang pen chat kun na po nain bang pen chat kun na ha counter di ai
one thing I don't like is I just cannot stand injustice and lies. Who he in Jin made a den to Zwa Hung Gen Jiangwa. I just cannot stay and watch Gen Tena in taking a very recent example in the conflict. Wa Zyron Numeihat. Ahung tawa mo. She was sexually abused and then killed and then burned mo. Marte Numeihat.
wa ang bang khala azing nia khu a news media wa khu e mấy tỷ tỷ a hoi bol zia a kukilam ten thadu chidanga genu age, which was very wrong, and I cannot tolerate such things. Sichidande too, especially involving women, lies. Ha patay lang nga hutabil hu kana panat pi mama, and yeah, hikapuna zo a victim thing ito adile hikapuna zo ti di om siya mo, because all of them suffered hinchin kapuna ve a in lelo hitahen lan hinhua kisumang ti hitalezong kapuna ve a. It was a collective rage, collective sadness all together.
Ale nang tu tanin mo Twitter followers bangsan na ni.
A little more than 10,000.
So that means till the post is so effective mama. The more to it would have reached the desired destination. Sidi talodi. Male.
Maybe. Tulay to
Kesong
kahapon siya.
kesong boy tung lai to makat anak hoy khai nga. Til tuam kagel zel le view sung tamang tam zel ai wanga boy ipuana zia na ki bol thu ya ke aban ka continue no lo mo. Ex lam jong tham thei lo in hucha ex lam bang chokia subscription te hilo na line chin thilegel le igel ut pen ki gel zone lo awat limit hing be mo chida noi chom umin chin cha su to ngai igel ut pen ki gel thilo in huzo changa to anang gen to neu khan hing be lab leng ex lam chu phatwam ba ma ai ho I ke hona ngai ke tu te na the na dingun pulen chong lo hing gen dan den ken jong kana feel mama adia naw pang kum sagi aki halum pa pen mole anu to aki halum pa wa ton sing mo ton sing hang sing male ama pen bang amera pai bi ken chu mera pai bi jong ka chu chen naked weapon ka chi main chin mo ka su bi pai bi chi mai vain amaute kuin adam manun chin anu puma anti puma ambulance a halung chin hu jong police te ki ton hin na lai mo ale anu meitei atapa amy anu neo meitei ameitei te maman halun chin amy teng kingo chidan chano min mo ale khovel pumpi ngai dang di non lo huzia ya twitter x lama ten hoi doang parule itru thuta huang the phet vai cha thil tampi akile bula yuta na ngumin chin hi zu phatwa ma ma kamu mo huzia
Right.
thil tampi amy te jong apila siam no loi banga nampi ngai na le a forum amun to kitwa na pang the nom gi geu chi hoiwanin abanin tun adang kharei chen gian to kit lei nang pen personally akang ki wange personally ang tunga ki patu kang genu na khu tu masanga pu gin son haw mo hin hwale lai bu bol na nang jong nang na ha ngai sa nang na te sa ma to nang zal dia jong ISBN mo international standard book namon ki la hin chin aja chu lai bu ken agyan lampang chu ka gial zo ita thil teng compile zo photo section jong bo na bol zo in printing house publishing house lai bu print da ki peta aki pe zo ai chat thil tom pu hau te nu pa zong akoi koina na gen pi nang zoi chana na gen pi mole icha nang bol le le pu hau in khatweng gen kha in chin and apoi mo se jong kana koilo just because hi pian ko private circulation di me hi kana si mo in chin le jang gen phet wa khono pi bol thelel vela ka chen wa nang to in ki ho kha in chin wa nang to in ki ho wa khu ken jong ho chi le kho chi lai bu ki no beng bong jong hi tuan si December lam che ki hong pan di hi le cha wa a publisher te mo printing house te ka call in chin abu kombe na bol nai sun ka chi poi mo pia be di long pia be nang abu kom na bol nai sun ka abu kom na bol nai lo wa ken jong online a ke apply ngal mo wa nang guide dan deu cha online a ke apply ngal le maybe ke ka designation hi ja jong hi mai thei mo mo ja gang de wang ki mo thei pai tom lo ka lang ki mo thei pai in chin so once again my heartiest gratitude to you
It's my pleasure.
Ale tu masangin alai bukang thota na sim khatai
Abol into Kasim nice, yeah, but I have read it. And it's on my table as well.
bang tan sim tai bookmark na koi
Anak
thawai
set kipat na.
bookmark na koi bookmark na si tan ka
Yes,
sim ta
yes,
chi
yes.
page bang tan sim tai
53 pasian bia in lam na dia pan la na. I'm yet to start this. Sila tan tumpan.
asim lung lut ta ten mo zan khara sim zo in lamang gen zo zan khara ka sim zo chi mo azia chu alai teng zong lian in chin ale mo debi nang mu dan in mo ale mo debi to kalai bu gial pen mo pu gin so naw hin khwalen na se pen khu a paper quality mo chia aki gial danim him le a thu te na sim na pa din bang china sai na your honest review critical analysis and honest review chivai
Absolutely. Here book he kana ena nang thoda ka kipa mo. Thank you so much for that, for sending me. He book akamu apat in he I was attracted to it. Simnok to aka sangala asya chu a cover ki bol dan him a page dan him le a letter teng aneo le a let dan tan pha jong simnop di khopa umahya hubana e zo ten hi chin book hi I ha swanai si wa ama sa pen loy hiya hu jong ilam kai khat poimo ta khalu tang thu hiya mo pu zia in hi cha a hoi mama a quality pada athil gel dan hoi mama hi kapata mama I really like it in hubana hi thil khat kangen ut khat a hi le kat new khat kasimta bon in chu kasim nai chia new khat kasimta a kasim na tenga pa ka the khya hi le chu na research kha ana tamma ma na focus kha na tamma ma ana dedicate ma din kang munga la na thil gel dan mo achang dan to a detail dan khu thupi ka sama ma hi khu ya this is my honest review
mo mga aham ki kaidan khu bangya continuous num na sai lo la tong cho churi na moi ha cha zo ha ma dingin
ei ha ma thil sim tam ka sia but huchi dia zong thei siam hoi top ka sa amo ei ha ma sil ha sim hol lo in hi cha hoi ta a thei siam ma sim do ba sa thei le chu I think it's very good
ke chu lai ana gyal jing thoinga ai wanga english ana gyal ngai siang lo mo azia chu no loi banga yang lana dan dewan ki kai lo in chen non english medium ana ki kai in chen mo non english medium che dia broken medium ana ki kai in chen ba na silonga graduation bol da kanguma milai chan na ki zoom mo cha english ham na ki confidence yang lo chi te hin chen
tampi
ale
gel ta na ma na bang ma ve
chia hi dana chu research lom chi lo in cha ama to ka to hormone ken outlines detail ken hi to ki sai ngen no chi nga mo cha kana gial zelon chin ai banga unfortunately wangsiat huaita inam lamkai te khuin bifurcation dichotomy chi dan kon bolun chin ayuzin all lam te le koi te koi mang pe lo ma to ku pen leo khat kalungwa kapuan at izo ha ma dinga a quality hoi the to ba ki bola ite banga ma mi hing
e
pian
ka point out ud khat zo literature society adia zo human phama ma de chu hi like ISD en tung tang again ki holain zong kan again ta mo khangson te future generation ten who ang eto to di wa hiya mo so this is contributing to the zo society literature as well so ahoi
ai hu cha jong ken jong kana gelin chin hu ja pu hau ko ma jong kana gen hi cha man abul tunga soft cover ma cha hard bound te a bol lo di ma paper bag normal ai cha bol chin ke chu cha kana u lo adi ta gen amo ai va wang sian hoi ta gel phalo pia zo lai serious te hong pe lo hong pe lo chin hi pen kana puan at ma mo izo ha ma lai bu ki bola ai ta banga si nei lang ne na ki bol jong hilo election to ki se jong ki bol jong hilo in ang pe lo pen chu ken jong kapuan tin ten in mabana laibu gyal dia buni jong ka ko hita hu pen hu e ha ma kang swat che de chi jong chu ka dau simita aja chu ki ngai na nam lo mo a ke laibu bol na jong sum bangzar ka siang bang wa ko sum mu ti to kiniam lo pia sum chu hung pe di mang di hing ngong ma suma kiniam lo min simu hen lan theu hen lan I ha mi pau ke bina jong hi hen chia na ki ngai su hin mo bang ma election campaign a si nei lang nei bang mom lo propaganda jong bang mom lo asim atop tan na sim lo cha khat veng comment ki le sin hu cha na thei di hu chi hian abana ke pen ham le paulam anangai na ka hi jong hin mo in tua bakhat izo hama ham nu pa chi dinga elo le ipui pa khanga para thu chin na te mo thu chin na te ate khin na dingen numein aman ane lo ding kichite mo ai lo le bange gau tang kilian na bangin chida noi cha thil ki gen ten the o chida ne te ka kholin zanga wal ka nga ta vele in hute aban mana ka hun nei dung zu ya aban manai cha ang ki pat dan a hian na again nut pen le meaning le cha azadi dan chi vela bona ka gel in hita banga zo lai ki bin dia tam ve pi research kana bolin to ka bona dia pen hi le izo ham pen khu akim the na dia ka pe pe na mi khat toi se ki holim chiang a kharin thil approve dan ang gen kha mo thu gui kharang gen kha le cannot help ka phone akalai te sa cannot help in ka tung cha ho alphabetic ka kana or kana gyal pen khu hu ka ha be che zanga lam ka nga ta vele ai wanga hu man phama ma da ka koi
Idioms and phrase dana hum pai the je bela mo
hu pen pu hoi dwa bolding in tua laibu pu hau pu gin sonau laibu hin khwale na sep te laibu banga quality hoi vora bolding in icha mabana icha kangai su hi ai banga zolai lam sei pol general estate chu tu tung ang et san mo et san ang phuan hum dan fu kalung chu noblo in hu changa personal icha khanglai te motivate na di le cha thil tampi keima hin khwale lai sim na le thil tampi chakana zil do tia to ki sa jong lai bor ka gian chen aiwa zo ha ma chu ka ngai dan hi ale mo debitun nakum hungdong la gen ulo di chi ka thei sa hi wanin ai cha ma ba nei chen mi ngi na do la pasal nei di bang tele chen mo pasal bang de bang nei nei
a man of God pastor di ka wat ina hello hilazong pasyan the mi pasyanang the chang wa khu anasep na wa ginu min chin ei zong we all are children of God mo pasyan tanu khara hung en thei din chin pasyan tanu khara hung chi thei din chin thilbang kim khu even if I get married chimai I want someone who would respect God pasyan thei mi kade
ale tun pasal nei tamo moin lan hilechin na pasal ko man na ki relay di ai lo le nang na sep na ngai chin na sep do ve di ai
I think that's situational basis mo kachina chu kapasal ti koye ki thenai lawa hi changa in sungin apoi mo a hi le obviously I will work in sungin apoi mo lawa in sung et kol apoi mo so hi le it's situational basis to meaning I cannot give an answer that I will fully depend on my husband hilazong I have to make sure that I can depend on myself
hi pen kang do na zia chet hui le tu ma sanga imeri kom te nu pang ki boy thu jong in mo khovel pum pi na thei tu bang hi tai na ni pasal pa bang mai si la jong hwa India TV vela ba interview na vel mo to memes vela mi zo sen chiamui na zo 1 रुपया भी नहीं कमाया लड़की का कमाई खा के चिता ना गेन पे को bang ai cha nu mei hi na dolin mo nang as a educated and responsible woman mo bang ngai dan na ne hi ko tung tanga
okay before answering this I would just want to tell the audience that I don't mean to offend any opinion or anyone kanga idan so hi le she could have communicated more gracefully and better more. Yes, she is the earning member. She cannot just forget the fact that her husband sacrificed a lot in taking care of the family and the children who he is in. But at the same time, Pucha Aki sacrificed Vanga Azi behind the back of his wife. Sumbil palakya sumbil fraud sumlampanga nakipeya mo aziva hem ditu hisi I have watched the interview of Mary Com in wa adalat abang hanapin su kana ena mo the other side of the story so akhat panzong tildi lo tampi na bola vele hu hin chin hu zong long sima ko ida ngai chin Americom kavadem si hi ka chi na hello in chin but Adi Hanlan Adi Lo Hilazong, she could have been more graceful in, saying what she wanted. To hucha abagin mo ko एक रुपया भी नहीं कमाता है चिदान दो अब हम को adi ina sun thing zong be tawelen thesia me hui ka ngai da
ei mitela azi lo ne apasal lo ne lo te tampi ki ngai sidin ko ye
yes I guess
something that is possible mo likely to be
very possible
hi pen mo ngai dan za tom tom mi hi pen ko ken open forum a hui do panelist ho kim hile ki debate na thei boda ka koi azia chu ama utigal nu pakal kwa hi non lo men chin it can have a very larger impact mo in nang hua Mary Koma so new khana ngai ya mo abona ngai kim hile chin apasal in a declaration apasal chu bang malo tavle bang malo chi chu azon again banga he sacrificed everything mo ama jong UPSC ne ki prepare khat bang hat chi jong ki zain ucha adia ko lama psycho emile jong ki candidate so man chi vel mo hute pen azian adu da ngova nga azi thulo ama chu bol himim lo devle ucha Mary Kom hu atha jong chu hiwan he pasal de khob lo de bang de chu ka thei lo mo pat affairs one ne ngeng affairs one su ki thei ve mi jo sen ki thei mo in hu cha ama le ma ki siam tan na dia gam tengai cha pasal hu wa sum le pai alo lo thua ngo chi pe jong dia di lo changa
di lo
iki he di la house ko dai ki he bangai ki he hiban wa news media vela ba ki he pa tom ni mo mo lo pia mo le zero swai le lo
right yeah atate future hamper power je to ma
azia pen khu to hu te khu mang non lo di vela ata teng lian di anu le pa dam ge gu di in hu ta teng ki chi di Mary Kom ta te ki chi di no mo pha di chi tan pa mo
correct
ko chi dan lu te hin adang ki ho le lang no min la hun hu pe sort simin itu ni ki ho na pen khu meaningful ka samama thil tampi ki discuss na nga para na theina le na experience te le na lai bugyal dan te tampi nang ge na mo atom na ding in hi ai ki ho na anangai he tu te a ding in mo bang vai ha na le thunwa gen ut bang na ni
hutchet chu hichami advice va pia mi va han thon bia chingmin zong ka ki ko isia I'm also still learning and I should actually be also listening to encouragement and motivation mo hile zong huchamang do ta hi le ka gen ut khang tha te dia ka gen ut hi le always be curious and kind to yourself and to the people around you more and never compare your success or your pace with the success or growth of other people. Ihun chat uminchin. Don't rush the journey mo. Go with the process and think deeply and read a lot. Read a lot of book. As jacho thil book itam simchanga iteina. Always read a lot and think deeply. Be kind to yourself. Be curious. Never give up and never compare your growth or your success with others. Then yeah, Christian hinain. Always remember God.
ipa mai nang apadin nang adia in nang zo very bangya eloquent orator jang na hi ta hang min thang ma ma cha adia in ei mi te la mo ei aku ki zo lam deu tia tu ma sang na thugen to an neng tin thinga tai bang tai ama tung ta nga wa bang forme khana na va na ke jong kana nga ya na thugen chu mi khoi ma mai u nau ten jong koi koi jong siak tam ma mai ho ja keep it up your fight for the good cause and keep be a motivator for the younger ones chi
Thank
again na
you.
to hitanin hun sa vain nang jong na sem dalang ang ha panin lan pasal hoi tan te bang nang modi kang de sana to all the best mo mang pa
Thank
bai le
you. Nangzong.